Hey Roadrunners, today we're going to learn about how to get virtual writing tutoring assistance. To start, go to morgancc.edu/help. Scroll down to the center of the page and locate Virtual Writing Tutoring. Select Find Out More. This link will take you to our Remote Learning Instruction page. Scroll down until you find an area called Virtual Writing Tutoring. You'll notice some important guidelines. First, don't wait until the last minute. Please give your professor enough time to review your work and yourself enough time to edit your work. Make sure to use your MCC student email. This is the safest way to keep your information secure and the only way that the tutor can respond to you. We'll work on number 3 together, and we'll talk about number 4 as well. Lastly, we'll use our MCC student email to send another copy of our draft assignment to Professor Lee at his email address. So I filled out my name, S number, course and instructor, the stage that I'm at in the writing process, what I'm working on, the topic of my paper, strengths and weaknesses, strategies I've used to fix the issues with my paper, and how the tutor can help. Lastly, we'll upload our Word document. So I've got my paper here. No matter what editor I'm working in, I want to make sure that when I choose Save As or Download As, that my document is formatted as a docx or at the very least a doc. So I've got it saved. I'm going to come back to this web page and we're going to upload our file. I can either use the file selector or drop the file right on top. Here we go. My file uploaded successfully. If you uploaded the wrong file, hit the little red X to remove it. So we've got this, and now I'll submit. This form goes directly to Professor Lee for his tutoring services. Our last step is to use our MCC student email and send Professor Lee a message with a copy of our rough draft again in case anything went wrong with the form. Let's do that now. I typed up a quick follow-up email about the tutoring form. I'm going to attach my document, and we're good to go. Depending on where you're at in the writing process, the tutor will either set up a WebEx meeting with you to review your content, talk about writing ideas, and more, or the tutor will send you back some helpful insight, notes, and corrections for your paper. In no time, you'll have a polished product to submit for your class. Don't be afraid to ask for help. We look forward to hearing from you.